everyone. Today we're going to be making a Thanksgiving wreath. And here's what it's going to look like when you're all done. Now you can make a wreath that's really big, or you may choose to make one that's smaller. That's up to you, and a lot is going to depend on what size circle you choose. So let me show you the things that we need. You need a circle. I'm using a bowl. You need something to write with to trace your hand. You need a scissor, and you need a glue stick. And then you'll just have to choose what color paper you would like your handprints to be. So the first thing we're going to do is to make the circle that you're going to glue your handprints on. So I'm going to place the bowl upside down on my paper, and I'm just going to trace around it with my pen. And I'll show you what it looks like when we're done. There's your circle. Now I'm going to quickly cut this circle out. I'm going to use my scissor and just follow the line all the way around. Cutting as best you can. And if you're next to the line, that's okay too. And you can always ask a grown-up at your house to help you with the cutting part or the tracing part too. So I'm almost done. I'm cutting around. And there we go. We have our circle. Now, the next thing you have to do is fold your circle in half. Just like that, you're going to fold it over, and you can see you have half a circle. And then inside, you're going to draw another half a circle. And this part, you may want to have a grown-up help you do. And I'll show you what that looks like. All right, and then you're going to cut on that line, making sure that you keep the paper folded. Okay? So there we go, we're going to cut around our second half circle. And then when you open it, you're going to have the circle for the wreath. So then the only thing you have to do then is to start making handprints. And so what you're going to do is pick your color paper, lay your hand down, and then you're going to trace around your hand. If you would like, you can have a grown-up help you do this too. You could even ask a brother or a sister to help you, and you're going to trace and trace until you go all the way around your hand. And that's all you have to do, and then you can draw a line at the bottom so that you have a handprint. Then you're just going to take your scissors and cut out your handprint, and I'm going to try and cut as fast as I can. And I may not even finish cutting it out. I'm just going to cut around it just to show you. Okay, and if I were to keep cutting, I would cut in between my fingers until I had a handprint. Then you're going to take the handprint and get some glue. And you're going to put some glue right on the back at the bottom of the handprint, just like this. See how it's just at the bottom? And then I'm going to stick it right on my circle. And you can see that I put the handprint right up to the middle circle. And then you're just going to keep doing that until you have enough handprints to fill your wreath. And you can put as many or as few as you want. It's up to you. So there you go. That's our Happy Thanksgiving handprint wreath. I hope you have fun. Happy Thanksgiving, everyone.